Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case this is the first time you're visiting my channel. And today is episode 4 in my how-to guide to styling baby fine hair. That came out weird, but that's okay. So today is just going to be a little bit of an extra tip and sort of things that I have found when working with my fine hair. And so basically we're going to talk about how much product should you use. With fine hair, it is a very delicate balance between enough product to make it work and so much product that I'm not centered. So much product that it makes your hair fall flat, because if you have fine hair, you know, like there is this, you got to use some product, but if you use too much, it's gonna ruin your hair and you're gonna have to wash it and start all over. It is a thing. If you've never experienced this, you don't truly have fine hair. So it is a bit of a balance, and my personal recommendation is to start with less and sort of build up. I don't use a lot of extra like styling products. Like I don't really use gel or mousses. I really only use some sort of setting lotion if I'm actually going to do a set, and I don't even know if I have any right now. I think I might have like a curl cream that I use sometimes, and I use just like a really little bit of it. But as far as like doing like heat sets or anything like that, I really don't use anything besides a little bit of a heat protectant and then just some product and some back combing to keep it in place. I've just found that with my hair, kind of less is more. So besides the products that I talked about last week, I don't know what this side of my hair is doing, but it's bugging me. Besides the 3 products that I talked about last week, I don't really use anything else style-wise in my hair. I just find that it just ends up causing more headache than being helpful, and I end up having to wash my hair more often because I have so much product in it. It just doesn't work out very well. So even with the 3 products that I talked about, I use them sparingly. It's better to kind of like use a little bit every day or whenever you need it or styling it than to just go like full crazy on your hair, trying to keep like one style like there. Does that make any sense? Does this make any sense to anyone? I don't even know if it makes sense to me. But I feel like just adding like a little bit every time you're going to do your hair, or a little bit of dry shampoo in like your hot spots of where you might get oily overnight, is better than just like filling your hair up with the product, trying to stop or help whatever you're trying to do with it. So just less is more. Like figure out what is the minimum that you need to make a style work and go with that. So that is it. Those are my 4 major strategies for styling really fine hair. I hope you have found this helpful. Let me know if you are a fine hair gal, if you're using any of these tips and products that I have gone over. My brain is like mush. I cannot end this video the way I want it to. I don't know what's happening, guys. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're staying safe. Let me know down below if you have been following my camping adventures. What has been your favorite adventure maybe something fun, maybe something crazy, something unexpected that happened during our trip. What's been your favorite part of our trip so far? Let me know down below. Oh man, this is okay. That's it. I hope you guys are doing great. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up if you are not subscribed. I would love to have you I would love to have you as a subscriber. I know this is not the greatest video I have ever put out there, but it can only get better from here, right? So just be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell so you will always be notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys again soon, and hopefully it will be a much more smoothly worded video. That's it for me.